Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Switch 2. Alright, doesn't really matter the Bluetooth speaker, or it could be the same for if it was a headphones or earphones. It doesn't matter, anything that's Bluetooth speaker related, just in case you want to amplify the sound that's coming from your Switch, you can actually use this procedure. Alright, so it's quite easy. So what we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn on whatever device for pairing.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Alright, so it's in pairing mode because it's blinking blue. Usually all of these devices, when they're in pairing mode, they actually do that, alright, which is to flash. Alright, so once it's flashing, as seen, go ahead and you're gonna go on your Switch, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna search for that Bluetooth device. All right, so go ahead, and here's the Switch 2. You're gonna go ahead and go to system settings. Then you're gonna see Bluetooth audio, and here it says use Bluetooth audio. You must first pair a device. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pair device. It's gonna search. All right, there we go. And this device is referred to as being S7-1. Whatever your device's name, it will come up. You gotta go ahead and select.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
All right, so now the Switch 2 is easily connected to the Bluetooth device in the background. All right, and notice it says connected Bluetooth audio. Up to 2 wireless controllers can be connected. All this is not a wireless controller, right? And it's just giving you information. Bluetooth audio can also be used while connected to other local users. You can connect or disconnect device from quick settings on the home. All right, so we're gonna hit that, and you see it's checked. So that's my Bluetooth speaker right there in the background. All right, so it's now going to play any audio that's playing. All right. Let's just quickly start up a game. You can hear the sound. And I can turn it up. Alright, so that's the speakers playing. Alright, so that's it. It's very easy. You don't want to get a copyright strike, so I'm just showing you that the audio actually works. So it's just playing the background audio. Alright, so it connects perfectly. Any sound I play, music, if you have YouTube on this, whenever it becomes available, it will play. Alright, and that's using the built-in speakers. So I do hope this tutorial was helpful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.